marks the spot where many Covenanters from Fife were slain in flight after the Battle of Tibermuir on the 1st of September 1644. Well, this is it.
There must be something in this regression. And how would a young man from Bedford know about an obscure battle and its killing?
Yeah, and he spoke in broad Scots.
Let's go and see the owner of the house.
Hello, we're from a small film company, and we're making a series of films about regression in the hope of selling it to a major TV channel.
One chap we've interviewed thinks he's one of the Covenanters killed at this site.
So we were wondering if we could bring him here into your garden and interview him again with the plaque to see if he has any vibes.
Oh, and my garden and the house will be on the television. Oh, that would be wonderful. How much would I get?
Well, we're only a small TV company, and we don't know whether or not any TV company will take the series, so we couldn't afford much. Maybe a couple of hundred?
Oh, no. I know the score. My cousin in Surrey, well, her neighbour got £50,000 for the use of her house and garden.
But we need your garden for only about an hour at the most. And we don't need to use your house at all.
Well, in that case, I think £5,000 would be a fair price. I mean, you do need me. The plaque is on my house.
Well, I think we'll just leave it for the time being. We'll think about it.
What are we going to do now?
Well, we could film the plaque from the street. I mean, you can't do anything about that. Yeah, maybe we could try the next door neighbour. Maybe she might be a bit more agreeable. After all, there were no houses here in 1644, so he could have been killed anywhere about here.
OK, let's go and try next door.
And it would only be about an hour or so setting up the interview, and, we could offer you, say, £400 for your inconvenience.
£400? And my house and garden on the telly? Mm-hmm. Wonderful. When?
We've scheduled it for a week on Wednesday, weather permitting. Is that OK?
Oh, that's fine. Yes, thank you.
Oh, we'll see you then. Bye.
Goodbye.
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 How are we doing here, boys? If you just maybe a bit more. You're going for a mid shot of the two there. Okay, so I think you're better around the back here. Oh, yeah, with the boom. Otherwise, you're going to be.
Don't worry about all this.
Actually, much better. Now then, Peter. Look, I want you just to relax and tell Louise, in your own words, how you feel about being here and whether this place gives you any vibes. Does it do anything for you?
No, not really. It's too built up, like an ordinary residential area.
Now, don't worry, because I'll just replay some of the things that you said when you were under regression, and we'll see if something comes out of it. What about the plaque?
We'll take a shot from the road, showing the plaque with you and Peter in the background. Okay?
Okay.
Everybody ready? Right, sound. Okay, Jim. Running. Lights. All right, quiet in the set. Camera on. Camera. Scene one. Take one. Action. Hey, Bruce, go and get it and turn it off, will you?
I think we've had it here. That bloody woman.
Okay, folks. We'll take a shot from the road of the plaque. And we'll do the interview in the studio afterwards, okay? Right now, Louise and Peter, I want you to stay here. Right, crew? Everybody off. Oh, no. For heaven's sake. What the devil is this woman up to, eh?
Behave!